Hello students, welcome to GK class of 10th standard. Today's topic is Majestic Hunters of the Sky, which is given on page number 52 and 53 of your GK book. Let's start the topic. Number 1 is Indian condors. The Indian condors is a South American bird in the New World vulture family, Cathariote, and is the only member of the genus Vulture, found in the Andes Mountains and adjacent Pacific coast of western South America. The Indian condors is the largest flying bird in the world by combined measurement of weight and wingspan. Next is the Eurasian black vulture. The Cinereus vulture is the largest raptorial bird that is distributed through much of the temperate Eurasia. The Eurasian black vulture is one of the largest old world vultures facing a constant decline, with its numbers dwindling in the Asiatic countries despite there being an increase in Europe. Hence, it falls under the category of near threatened. The main threats are humans and lack of food. Number third is the lappet-faced vulture or Numidian vulture. It is called so because of the presence of lappets on fold of skin on the sides of its neck. It possesses a large, strong beak which can tear flesh all the way to the bone. It feeds on carcasses, insects, and small birds. It doesn't smell out carcasses but observes the behavior of other birds to locate food. Number 4 is the Californian condors is the largest bird in the North America that can fly. Weighing up to 12 kg, it can fly up to the starting height of 4,500 meter, guiding on the strong air currents. Being a scavenger, it feasts on the carcasses of animals. Sometimes they eat so much that they have to rest for long before they can fly again. Number 5 is the lammergeier, also called the bearded vulture, is one of the rarest raptors found in Europe and the largest to inhabit the Alps. It is also known as the bone eater as it feeds extensively on bones. Number 6 is the Philippine eagle, proclaimed as the national bird of the Philippines. It is an endangered species as a skillful predator. Increased deforestation has pushed this majestic bird, having a beautiful crest, to the brink of extinction. Number 7 is the golden eagle, is the national bird of Mexico. Adept at diving, it can dive with an astonishing speed of 240 km per hour. Using its speed and sharp calls, the golden eagle is able to snatch up prey like rabbits, squirrels, and birds. It also feasts upon the carcasses. This dark brown bird has golden plumage on its head and neck. Number 8, last but not the least, the Himalayan vulture, a species with dwindling numbers, inhabits mountainous terrains. They feed exclusively on carrion. Like other vultures, they fight with each other to get a better share of the prey. They also grunt and make noise during these encounters. Now student, this is a time of quick quiz. There are some fill-ups, you have to answer those. Number 1 is, dash is another name of bird's prey. Number 2, dash are nocturnal birds that can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Number 3, the dash was declared the national bird of America in 1782. Number 4, the dash named after naturalist William Cowper is known to kill its prey either by squeezing it rapidly or by drawing it. And number 5 is the dash, also known as the monkey faced owl, swallows its entire prey along with its skin and bones. Now, students, we have to answer all these fill-ups. With this, we have complete our majestic hunters of the sky. Hope you enjoy and you have to explore more. We will meet very soon. Till then, have a nice day.